Welcome back to Water Power Planet, everyone. In today's short video, we're going to talk a little bit more about the photon energy and the Pulsar power plant. We're going to talk about the Dyson sphere. Now, this is something right out of science fiction movies, okay? So this has to do with a physicist back in the old days. It was Freeman Dyson, and he came up with this idea in a dream or something like this where you can encapsulate a star. He said that there were alien civilizations out there that would build a hollow shell around their star and then use that energy. It would be inexhaustible. There would be limitless amounts of power. Now it has a lot to do with the photon energy and the light and using the water. Now, if you think about this, you know, we're not exactly getting the truth on how the sun operates up there. We're going to talk about the processes on the sun and how it burns hydrogen. And it uses oxygen because you can't have a combustion process without the oxygen. So we're going to talk about how we're using Stone Age technology. Think about this. It's all around the world. You know, we're chasing that hydrogen, you know, we're following the proton. And these were some of the key elements right here. Platinum, palladium, sodium. I'll show you how this works. I'm going to turn the voltage meter on here real quick. This would be how it worked. So you have a solar panel back there and it's encapsulated in this stainless steel container. And I'm going to get the star going on the inside. And that's where the solar panel will be. Let me show you how this works. I'll get the star going. This takes a second. There we go. It's going. While that's going, I'm going to go ahead and show you this. I'm going to take the solar panel, and this is how the Dyson sphere would work. It would be encapsulated. See, and the electricity would come in like this. You would have the star would be inside of the sphere. Think about this. Endless amount of electrical power coming in. And of course, you would have concentric rings inside there, solar panels that go all the way around to capture all the light. This is just a demonstration. I wanted to show you the electrical power coming in from the star. So the whole idea of the Dyson sphere is to make sure you don't have to stare at this thing all day. Unless you want to watch it make water and, you know, watch the star glow. But you need to get you some goggles like this. This thing could be really bright. Watch. Let me turn on the voltage meter here. Watch this. So you can do it the old-fashioned way. Just go out there and get your jars and get your snake urine or your water. Whatever you got, they both make hydrogen. You just get out there and catch those rays. Now think about it, the electromagnetic radiation is coming down. And all you need is your solar panels and your snakes and your water. Think about it. It's an endless amount of inexhaustible power. I mean, you're never going to damage that piece of limestone. It lasts for an eternity. So you do it the old-fashioned way. And you can see the symbol right there. And the energy is just coming in right here on that solar panel. So it's a tremendous amount of power hidden inside the water. And it's coming in as the photon energy. And the light energy, it comes in from the third dimension. Think about that. And you can go ahead and you can use glass, but you got to be careful. It's hundreds of times more clear than plastic. So the plastic can melt too. We'll continue on. And that was the whole concept of the Dyson sphere. So you can seal this power up. You can seal it up so you don't have to look at it, you know? And it's highly advanced technology, but it really is Stone Age tech if you think about it. I mean, the water and the hydrogen and the limestones have been here forever. So this was just a demonstration today. I wanted to pull some stuff out and show you. And put the dome on top. It's beautiful. And you'll see the dome fill up with water really quick. See, and that's the output of the reactor. That's the only byproduct. Is fresh, clean drinking water. Think about that. So that's the idea with the Dyson sphere. Hope you guys enjoyed that. See, I'm using a piece of a catalytic converter today. All you need is one little piece and it will last you a lifetime when you turn it on. But if you keep positioning it around, it will start to change it. If you use the limestone, you can't even scratch this stuff with that oxyhydrogen flame. You can't damage the limestone. So it's an inexhaustible amount of electrical power. You can charge phones, batteries. See, this is DC power coming in on that solar panel in there. And this was just a little demonstration. So you can take this square wave, use a diode, send it to batteries. So this is the way to make electricity. Look, there's no drive shaft, ladies and gentlemen. There's no bearings to wear out, no brushes. I mean, this is how you make electrical power. Think about that. See, and Pulsar stands for Photoelectric Universal Luminous Solar Atomic Reactor. Runs on HHO gas, and it throws off photon energy, which is just electromagnetic radiation. It's light. So it makes no sense to cover up the sun when you can use it to make oxygen and hydrogen. Think about that. And the only byproduct of this thing is fresh, clean drinking water. As it burns, the little star, you know, the condensation builds up in there and it drips out the side. You gotta kind of match this water column to it so it drips out as it's made. It's all part of this water power planet we live on.